Okay, I'm going to take you on a little tour of Project 1920 with Maggie, who's going to tell us what we're going to do in each room. That would be her waving. So, Maggie, if you would, what are we looking at right here?
So, this room is going to be the reception area.
Mm-hmm.
The front door is conveniently located right over here.
Right.
What we're imagining is we're going to really brighten up the space. We've got a lot of kind of contrasting dark tones, mismatching wood tones everywhere. You know, the walls have definitely seen better days. So what we're going to do is address the ceiling. Absolutely. There's some cracks in it. There's, you know, it's definitely time for a little bit of a freshen up. So thinking about putting some beautiful tin ceilings up here.
Oh, I see the crack. Yeah.
Yeah, you see that? I know.
Okay.
It's sad, but I think that we can address it.
So tin type ceiling?
Yeah, kind of a tin look ceiling, which kind of fits the era of the building.
How about the floors?
Well, the floors are beautiful.
Right.
They're in rough shape right now. They definitely need a little bit of love.
Yeah.
But what we're thinking is a delicious espresso finish.
Now I want to drink.
I know. See, now we're all going to want like a cup of coffee and enjoy these nice hardwood.
Let's get over here.
That's my goal.
What's the plans for the fireplace?
What's going on over here is we're going to do a nice off-white, kind of a pink tinted white on the walls, and everything surrounding it, all the trim is going to be a nice, fresh, high gloss white.
Gotcha.
To contrast with that beautiful espresso floor
all right.
we're talking about doing.
And then real quick, we're going to take the ceiling fan out, right? Which is brand new, probably never been used.
I know, but I just don't think that it complements.
Would you consider selling that?
Of the house. You know what? Yeah. And unfortunately, there's not a lot of information out there on how best to refinish chestnut. So if we paint it, we're going to try to do it in a way that the paint can be easily removed and not damage the wood underneath.
Right. Okay.